Hi, welcome to part 5 of mind-blowing techniques for multiplication. As promised in the last video, link for that video is in the top right corner. In this video, I am going to talk about 8 additional special cases that I showed in the last video and some more special cases. After practicing, you can do calculations for each of these in seconds. Here is the list of 8 special situations that I talked about in my previous video. So first let's talk about common technique. So here to calculate the ending part, multiply ending digits. If it is less than 50, then we will add 50 to it, else we will subtract 50 from it and add 1 to the starting part. You should do it only when the specific technique tells you to do it. Now comes the first technique. Number ends with 5. Sum of starting digits is odd. So here number ends with 5. Sum of these two digits is odd. So here we multiply starting digits and add half of the sum of starting digits. So we multiply 7 and 2 and then we take half of 7 plus 2. So half of 9 is 4.5, but we ignore the fraction part. And then for ending part, it is always 75. Second technique. Here number starts with 5 and sum of ending digits is odd. So number starts with 5 and sum of ending digits is odd. So 7 plus 4 is 11. Here 8 plus 7 is 15. So to calculate a starting part, add 25 to the half of sum of the ending digits. So half of the sum is 7 plus 4 by 2 is 11 by 2, which is 5. And we have to add 25 to it. And then for the ending part, we have to follow the common technique. So in this case, the ending part was less than 50, so we have to add 50. In this case, the ending part was more than 50, so we have to subtract 50 and add 1 to the starting part. Third special case, numbers end with same odd digit and sum of starting digits is 5. So numbers can only end with 1, 3, 7 and 9 because the case of 5 has already been addressed in the previous cases. So to find a starting part, multiply starting digits and add 0 for 1, 1 for 3, 3 for 7 and 5 for 9. So here we are adding 0 for 1 because it is ending with 1. We are adding 1 for 3 because it is ending with 3. We are adding 3 because it is ending with 7 here. And we are adding 5 because it is ending with 9 here. And for ending part, it's going to be 51 for 1, 59 for 3, 99 for 7 and 31 for 9. For a given odd number, the ending part is fixed. Fourth special technique. Here number ends with the same odd digit and sum of the starting digits is 15. So here again number can end with 1, 3, 7 and 9. 5 case has already been addressed in previous cases. And sum of starting digits is 15. So 7, 8 or 9, 6 can be there. So for a starting part, multiply starting digits and add 1 for 1, 4 for 3, 10 for 7 and 14 for 9. So 1 for 1, ending 1, 4 for ending 3, 10 for ending 7 and 14 for ending 9. And for ending part, it's going to be 51 for 1, 59 for 3, 99 for 7 and 31 for 9. Fifth case. Here number starts with same odd digit and sum of ending digits is 5. So it can start with 1, 3, 7 or 9 and sum is going to be 5. So it can be either 2 and 3 or 1 and 4. For a starting part, multiply starting digits and add 0 for 1, 1 for 3, 3 for 7 and 4 for 9. And ending part is going to be 56 for 2 and 3 and 54 for 1 and 4. So if it is ending for 1 and 4, here it will be 4. and when it is ending with 2 and 3, then it's going to be 6. Sixth case, here number starts with same odd digit and sum of ending digits is 15. So it can start with 1, 3, 7 or 9, and here it can be either 7, 8 or 6, 9. So for a starting part, we multiply starting digits and add 2 for 1, 5 for 3, 11 for 7 and 14 for 9. And for ending part, it's going to be 0, 6 for 7 and 8 and 0, 4 for 6 and 9. Seventh situation, sum of the digits is 5 and other number has same odd digit. So here sum is 4 plus 1, 5 and it is same odd digit. So for a starting part, we multiply starting digits and add a half of the digit of the number with same odd digit. So half of this number. So half of 7 is 3.5, but we ignore the fractional part. And for ending part, we multiply ending digits and add 50 to it. So here 4 times 7 plus 3 and then we add 50 to the multiplication of 1 and 7. Eighth and final case, sum of the digits is 15, other numbers have same odd digit. So here it can be 7, 8 or 6, 9, and here it can be 1, 3, 5 or 1, 3, 7 and 9. 5 has already been addressed before. For its starting part, we multiply starting digits and add 1.5 times of the number with same odd digit. So here 3 is the same odd digit and 1.5 times of that is 4.5. So we ignore the fraction part, we keep 4. So we first multiply the starting digits. So 7 times 3 plus 4. And for end part, we follow the common technique above, which is if it is less than 50, we have to add 50. If it is more than 50, we have to subtract 50 and add 1 here. So this completes 8 additional special cases where SOC is ending with 5. In situations where numbers do not fit in any of the previous patterns, you will have to calculate SOC. The question now is, are there still some techniques that we can use to get the answer fast? And the answer is yes, there are. And we will talk about 5 such situations in the next video. And those 5 situations are here. So in the next video, I will show these techniques and some more special cases. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. And please hit the like button and bell icon. Enjoy.